Okay, so we're here with the Ealing Wildlife Group bee nest. So this is solitary bees. So here you can see there's a few occupied nests.
Yeah.
So you can see here is it's one of the mason bees in the genus Osmia.
Yeah.
So you can see each of these cells has been provisioned. All the yellow bits you see are pollen.
Yeah.
And that's for the developing grubs. So the bees will lay one egg in each cell. And then these ones at the bottom look like they might have been sealed off with mud, which would probably indicate a red mason bee. I think these ones at the bottom definitely have. That definitely looks mud-like. And then
It almost looks like moss in the middle of that one, does it?
yeah, that does look very strange. I don't know what's going on there. That might be the pollen that's being used, or it might be something else. As you do get parasites and things that take over. And then at the top you can see this one's made with chewed up grass. So that will be a different mason bee species, possibly Osmia. Yes.
With orange legs.
Yes, yeah. So the orange you can see underneath, that's the scopa, which is the pollen brush which it uses to collect pollen to provision its cells. So in this genus, that pollen brush is completely underneath the belly.
It's whereas like hair.
Yes, it's hair. Yeah,
you can see it in close up.
Yeah. And then other bees will collect it on their legs, or some of them collect them on their face. They do all sorts of different weird and wacky things.
And how many solitary bees do we have, Alex?
So we have about 270 species, I think, at the moment in the UK of bees overall. Most of them are solitary.
Over 250 solitary?
Yes, certainly over 250. The number does change. Things periodically turn up new. So.
I've just noticed in the top cell there's a tiny little species as well, is there?
Yes. So at the very top, I believe that is a wasp.
Predatory wasp or parasitic wasp? Or?
I don't think it's a parasitic one. I couldn't tell you off the top of my head what it is.
Yeah.
Something along the lines of an ectemnius.
So what I'm learning here is that there's tons and tons to discover if you get into solitary bees.
Oh my God, yes. And there's even more wasps. So 250, 270 bees, that's nothing.
900 wasps, I think, is what I heard.
And then when you get into the tiny ones, there's even more. So it's a whole world to explore.
And what is this contraption that we have at the reserve here?
So this is a bee hotel.
Yeah.
So this was a very kind donation from one of our members.
Yeah.
So they come in all sorts of different forms, but they're for the solitary bees, and some wasps may use them as well, and other things. Basically, they consist of long tubes of cells. Yeah. So these are drilled directly into the wood. Some nests use bamboo canes and things. Yeah. And they will attract all sorts of solitary bees and things that would normally nest in hollow plant stems, things like that. So it's just mimicking that habitat for them, and they can set up their nests as they would normally in the wild. So it's just a great thing to have in your garden to help provide an additional habitat for these amazing creatures.
And it's got these cool panels that we can observe.
Yeah, this one is fantastic. You can see them, so it's an excellent design.
Great, thank you.
No problem.